Hello, Hellboy Fire Vlogger!
As a City Fire Marshal of Bacolod City, it is my privilege to welcome everyone in our activity, the Fire Square Roadshow. No? This is in celebration of the Bureau of Fire Protection anniversary. We hope that this activity, no, isa ini kapaagi na as they grow up as responsible adult, this will help build Bacolod City a fire-safe community. Because sa Bacolod, stronger together.
It is such an honor to be in the presence of the BFP and all of their heads who are here today for NIR. And of course, this is a continuous partnership between SM and BFP. Hindi siya matapos forever na siya ang partnership. And we also look forward to this activity, Fire Square Roadshow, every year. And this year special siya because it's their 34th anniversary. And special ka mo because first time na nila din sa North Block.
Kita ko kung ano importante, ari di mga kabataan, na kung may sunog, huwag na kinapangayo ang aksidente. Huwag na kinapangayo ang emergency. Kung mag-abot na, sila gahanat sa ila kabuhi, garisko sa ila kabuhi, kasunod sa kalayo, para masalbar ang ating bata. Para masalbar si lolo, si lola, masalbar si nanay, si tatay, masalbar ang tibuok ng purok. Kung sa diin nga kung kisama lipat ta sa ina nga importansya, kung sa diin nga dapat na magatutukan kagbutangan pundo. In behalf of Mayor Greg Casataya, kami nagapasalig, hindi lang sa ila, hindi sa inyo tanan, nga dapat ini utangan din sa pagtumod kag sa mahatagan sa importansya sa lokal na gobyerno.
This roadshow is more than a public event. It is a movement of awareness, education, and empowerment. Through this initiative, we aim to bring the BEP closer to the community. Visible to our kids, not just as the first responders in times of fire and disasters, but as partners in prevention, education, and preparedness. We, the Bureau of Fire Protection, believe that fire safety education is a powerful weapon in protecting lives. I want to take this opportunity to honor the men and women of the Bureau of Fire Protection who risk their lives to save and be of service. Your courage, discipline, and dedication are the backbone of our Bureau. To our community partners, of course, the LGU, as well as our private partners for helping us in our endeavor.
Good afternoon gali sa tanan, especially sa kay Hellboy vlogger. Salamat gid sa pag online sang amon activity. In behalf gali sa amon City Fire Marshal Fire Superintendent Jinemy Masip, nagapasalamat gid kami nga nagkinagto di ang mga kabataan, kag upod ang mga ginikanan, kag especially sa mga barangay kag mga school nga nagintagaan namon later para sa invitation kag nagkinagto. Madamo gid nga salamat.